So I really want to have a quick go at trying to clean all this with a bit of T-cut just to see how it comes out. Now the original plan was that all this was going to be replaced with a canvas hood, but to be fair, that's £1,000 for the hood sticks and canvas. I'm not sure I'm going to be wanting to spend that much on it at the moment. So the plan might be, or the plan was, that I was thinking about possibly putting a cat flap onto here, but again the prices for them are absolutely ridiculous, so I think I'm going to end up just putting an ordinary door on. We're at the start of March now and we're still in the depths of winter. Really, it's not really warming up, but I do want to try and make some progress with this old vehicle this year. So I thought today what I might do is just have a quick go and see if the T-cut will clean up this cream top. Now I haven't got a lot of time, so I'm not going to do the lot, but you can see the whole thing needs done. But all I'm going to be doing today is concentrating on this bit here and doing the back. Like I say, haven't got a lot of time, so I'm just gonna do these 4 panels here and the roof line. So I'm going to start off by giving it a quick wash. So that's come out a bit better already, as you can see. There's a lot of black stuff that's come off the old rubber, so I'm just going to give them a quick wash down now with this. You can see it looks better already. Still not brilliant, but it's getting rid of a lot of the moss that you can see, like on the bits that I haven't touched. So the plan is now just to give it a quick T-cut and see if it's actually worth doing and if it makes any difference. And if it does come up good, then I'll end up doing the whole roof insides and clean that up. So there you have it. That took about 10 minutes. It's certainly not brilliant. Problem I'm having is the amount of muck and black coming out of these old rubber seals. They'd probably have to be taken off for new seals. If I end up keeping the roof, I feel I'll probably end up painting it anyway. It doesn't look great, but it's definitely better. Will I do the whole lot? Maybe. I mean, if you come to the side there, you can really see how bad the top is. We'll see. It's quite a lot of work for not a lot of results. So this is the problem with working outside in the winter, as the wind's picked right up. It's 2 degrees here in the northeast, so it's absolutely freezing cold. So that just ends work for me on this day. I just can't be bothered to stand out here in this icy cold wind. I did a little bit on the back. You saw the results. It's obviously helped it a little bit, so I might do the rest. Other plans for the Land Rover this year will be to try and get it running. That is my goal this year, is to carry on doing the paint work but get the engine running first. So that would mean getting most of the wiring loom done, getting the engine and ancillaries all put back together. I'm gonna have to buy a brand new distributor unit, coil, spark plugs. I need to source a few manifold gaskets and nuts and bolts. There's all sorts to do basically, so you can expect videos on that in the next month or two. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I know it was a short one and not a whole lot of use, but it might be helpful to someone. Anyway, subscribe if you want to see how I get on with your Land Rover, and we'll see you in the next